This is a trip that we come to the HQ OPPO. We find the new foldable device. The first one introduction from the OPPO is quite interesting.
I really like that they're being proactive and they're adding new software features so you can use the cover screen more. So it's very difficult.
我要做好一个产品，要花非常多道工。
看到了很多蛮有趣的一些科技。
It's not easy to build a phone, and we should truly appreciate the phones that we have here, especially the OPPO Find N2 Flip, because we saw how it was made in the facility yesterday, which is this phone.